G'day everyone, my name is Dr. James Simcock and I'm a surgeon down here at South Paws in sunny Melbourne. We are going to bring to you a fantastic course for this perineal and urogenital workshop, and we really can't wait to get into it and to teach you all the great things about the fundamentals of this surgery in this area that you guys are going to love, and I think you're going to find things that you can pick up and take back into your practice and start using straight away. We've designed the course over 3 days. There's a combination of practical and lecture components, and they are designed to feed into each other. So we start with the theory, we go through a lot of pictures, we go through a lot of videos, and then we move into the prac space, and then we repeat all of that stuff in the prac room to let you guys have some consolidation of that knowledge and to put your newfound kind of learnings into practice. This course is going to be of huge value to you as a GP vet. It's a set of skills and surgeries that you can do in general practice. A lot of these surgeries are really great because they don't require a huge amount of specialist equipment. You don't have to have a huge inventory of different things sitting on the shelf, and it can be done very much by someone with the knowledge and the right attitude. So we're super excited to share that with you and to get into it. Some of the surgeries that we're going to learn about specifically will be anal sacculectomy, both in dogs that have tumours and in dogs that have just anal sac disease. We're going to learn about how to do perineal urethrostomy in cats, how to avoid some of the really pesky complications, including things like strictures. We're going to look at perineal hernia repair. We're going to do a great lab to look at the anatomy in that area and to show you that you don't have to be too scared of what's going on down there. And we're going to look at some of the cancer stuff and the oncology and some of the surgical oncology principles as they relate to surgery and diseases in the perineal region. As part of the surgical oncology component of this workshop, we will look at some of the different axial pattern flaps that can be used in the perineal region. These are really, really great techniques to have in your tool belt and something that you guys can pull out fairly readily and with great confidence once you understand the fundamentals. So one of the things that comes up when you're looking at doing a course like this is the cost. Now, if you're an owner of the practice, I think it's actually quite easy to see the value in doing something like this because you make a small investment at the front end and you're going to get a huge return on that investment as you actually go through and start doing some of these surgeries. Now, I'm going to give you a little inside tip here. If you're an employee and you're trying to get the money from your boss to do this course, you really need to try and paint the picture to them and really sell it. Yes, this is a few $1,000s to do the course. However, think of all of the perineal urethrostomies that I'm going to be able to do having done the course, and then really sell that return on investment. Use the words return on investment when you're talking to your boss, and I guarantee you're going to be able to get it over the line. So I've been working with VetPrac for a long time now. And actually, if I think back, it's probably back to 2007, 2008, something like that, when we did a TTA workshop. And I used to do a lot more continuing education and work with a whole bunch of different groups. And really, I don't do much anymore except for work with VetPrac. And the reason is that they're always a good time. You know, it's very, very great educational content, but it's in such a supportive environment, and there's always great people and great educators involved in the process. So in terms of value for money, I don't think you can go past VetPrac as a source of continuing education, and that's why I really only work with these guys to deliver this stuff. So absolutely, hands down, I think is going to be one of the best educational experiences you'll have.